Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of languages and communication. Specifically, we are going to explore the importance of prepositions and transitional verbs in shaping our messages. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about prepositions. These little words are essential for indicating location, time, and direction in our sentences. Take for example, the word in. It tells us where something is located within a space. As you can see in this drawing, the cat is in the box. In, it shows the relationship between the cat and the box, indicating that the cat is inside the box.
Now, let's move on to transitional words. These words helps us to connect ideas and guide our readers or listeners through our thoughts.
Imagine you're telling a story about a trip. You might use first, next, and finally to sequence your experiences. First, we visit the beach. Next, we explore the nearby forest. Finally, we watch the sunset from a cliff. See how these words helps us organize our ideas and makes our story flow smoothly. And that's a wrap for today. We learned about prepositions and transitional words. I hope it helped us to express ourselves clearly to others. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic journey. See you next video.